Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring photographers out there. We'll be diving into the art of achieving proper exposure in different lighting conditions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you capture stunning shots every time. So let's get started. Before we delve into the techniques, let's understand what exposure means. In photography, exposure refers to the amount of light that reaches your camera's sensor. It's a crucial factor in determining the brightness and clarity of your images. To achieve proper exposure, we need to master the exposure triangle, which comprises three key elements: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Balancing these settings is essential to get the perfect shot, regardless of the lighting conditions. Shooting in bright light can be challenging, but fear not. We got you covered. By adjusting your camera settings and using techniques like exposure compensation, you can prevent overexposed images and capture every detail with clarity. Low-light photography can be a game-changer for creating dramatic and atmospheric shots. We'll share some pro tips to manage noise, use slower shutter speeds, and maximize natural light to create stunning images even in the darkest environments. Working with artificial lighting can be intimidating, but it opens up a whole new world of creativity. We'll show you how to use flash, diffusers, and reflectors to manipulate light and achieve professional-looking portraits and still life shots. One of our favorite times for capturing breathtaking photos is during the golden hour, the period just before sunset or after sunrise. We'll guide you on how to make the most of this magical light to add a touch of warmth and beauty to your images. Post-processing plays a significant role in refining your exposure. We'll introduce you to essential editing tools and techniques that can elevate your shots to the next level while maintaining a natural and balanced look. And there you have it, the secrets to achieving proper exposure in any lighting condition. By understanding the exposure triangle, experimenting with different lighting scenarios, and harnessing the magic of post-processing, you'll be well on your way to capturing stunning photos every time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow photography enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep clicking and creating. If you have any questions or want to share your photography journey, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay inspired and keep pushing your creative boundaries. See you in the next video. Peace out.